Well, we made it. Samson's all excited because there's turkeys and chickens and sheep and dogs, and we'll see how he does. Inside, let's go. Okay, not in the food. Okay, let's... Did you get a little overstimulated? Just a little?